we buy from people we know, like, and trust.
What marketing strategies and tactics are working now, and how could someone apply them?
Yeah, well, I think first of all, it depends on who your buyer is. So if you're selling to a corporate buyer or you're selling professional services, then TikTok is probably not the place for you. But if you're selling consumer goods and you are more in the influencer space, then TikTok may be for you. So I think the first thing that I would say to you is pay attention to who your buyer is and where your buyer spends time. Because the perfect marketing formula is when you actually show up at the intersection of where your buyer is. Number two is really understanding where your sales come from. And then the third thing that I would say is I also generate a lot of leads when I speak. So anytime I speak on stage, I always get new business. And so I can't be speaking on stage every single day. So the next best thing to speaking on stage is to do things that allow people to